So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of at least DirectX 9.0 version needed for GTA San Andreas issue. Now, in order to fix that, simply open Google Chrome or any of the browser that you have. Now here you have to search for DirectX for Windows, followed by whatever window that you have. For example, my Windows 11. Now here simply open this site, that is download DirectX technology update from official website. Now here simply select the language. Once you select it, now simply hit this option of download. Now you'll notice that a zip file will download, or what you can do, just simply again come back right there and open this first website. Only hit a download here only, and you'll see the downloader installer have been installed on your system. Now simply open it, agree the agreement, hit next, hit next, then again install it on your system. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.